Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Quizlet, more than flashcards, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Quizlet is a study and learning app designed to help users memorize, practice, and master concepts across different subjects. Originally known for its flashcards, Quizlet has expanded into a full learning platform with study modes like Learn, Test, and Match. It also offers diagram-based learning, practice tests, and AI-powered study paths. It's available on both iOS and Android, and users can access millions of study sets created by other learners and teachers. The app's main feature is its flashcard-based system. You can create your own sets or use existing ones, and Quizlet will guide you through spaced repetition and adaptive learning to help you retain information. It supports images, audio, and multiple question types for flexible study. For premium users, Quizlet adds smart grading, advanced practice, and personalized learning insights powered by AI. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, huge library of study materials, and effective learning tools. The Adaptive Learn mode is especially praised for personalizing review sessions. Students studying languages, science, medical terms, and competitive exams often rely on Quizlet for quick revision. However, there are some drawbacks. Many useful features, including advanced learning modes, require a paid subscription, which some users find expensive. Some public study sets may also contain errors, since they're user-generated. In addition, recent updates limiting free features have caused complaints from long-time users. In summary, the Quizlet app may be worth using if you want customizable study tools, access to millions of flashcards, and AI-powered learning guidance. However, if you need full features without paying or rely heavily on guaranteed accurate study material, it might not be ideal for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.